Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp consuming too much of mobile data. And it's happening in the latest update of WhatsApp, so I will show you quick fix. Let's get started. Before that, make sure to subscribe for my channel. First thing first, go to your WhatsApp, the setting icon. If you scroll down, you can see storage and data, select that. And you can see media quality. In here, media quality is HD, so make sure to select standard quality, so it will reduce your mobile data consuming. Come back, and auto download quality, also make sure to click standard quality. Once it's done, come into the media auto download and make sure all the toggles are selected for Wi-Fi. So in this way, we can stop consuming cell data for larger file automatically downloading. Step 2. Disable background data usage. For Android user, go to your settings, apps, and select the WhatsApp. Click mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure to turn off background data refresh toggle. For iPhone user, go to your settings, scroll down and go to the apps and find WhatsApp here. Make sure to turn off background app refresh. This ensures WhatsApp only uses data when the app is open. Step 3. Stop media autoplay and status preloading. WhatsApp automatically preload video and status which consume a lot of mobile data. To fix that, on your iPhone, go to WhatsApp, select settings, and go to your chats, and make sure turn off save to photos. On your Android, go to your WhatsApp and go to your settings and go to the chats. Make sure turn off media visibility. Step 4. You can monitor and reset network usage. This is our last step, so go to your WhatsApp and open the settings. Select the storage and data and click the network usage. You can go and reset this one and monitor how much data you are consuming during the mobile network. That's it. Your WhatsApp should stop now eating a lot of mobile data in the background. If this helped, hit the like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.